Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Best Buy membership. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top section and proceed forward by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken back into the homepage, if you wish to cancel your membership, click on your account icon once again and then click on your account. This will take you into the your account page, from which you will see the membership option. Click on your membership and now this will show you all of the memberships that you have subscribed. If you don't already have one, you will be asked to become a member. And if you already are a member, you will find the cancel button within this page. You might be asked to provide a reason why you are canceling your membership. So after providing your reason, just proceed forward. And if you are prompted to enter your password, proceed forward with your password as well. And your membership on Best Buy will be cancelled right away. And there you have it. That is how you can cancel your existing membership on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.